Stock market, everyone's heard of it, but how many truly understand how it works? Is it gambling? Is it only for the rich? In today's video, we'll break down the basics of the Indian stock market in the simplest way possible. What is the stock market? The stock market is a place where companies offer ownership to the public by selling their shares. When you buy a share, you're not just investing, you're becoming a small owner of that company. Let's say you buy one share of Reliance. That means you own a small part of Reliance Industries. It's like owning a tiny piece of a big business. How does the market work? In India, we have two major stock exchanges: Bombay Stock Exchange (BSE), National Stock Exchange, and SE. Companies list their shares on these exchanges. When demand for a share increases, its price goes up. When more people sell, the price goes down. It's a game of demand and supply, just like any other market. How do you make money? There are two main ways to make money in the stock market. Capital gains. You buy a stock for 100 and sell it at 150. That's a profit of 50. Dividends. When a company makes profits, it often shares a part of it with shareholders. For example, companies like TCS regularly pay dividends to their investors. So you earn money not just from stock prices, but also from company profits. How to get started? To start investing, you need two things: a demat account, a trading account. Platforms like Zerodha, Upstocks, Groww, and Angel One help you open these accounts online. Once your KYC is complete, you can start investing in the stock market from your phone. Risks and realities: the stock market can make you money, but it can also cause losses, especially if you invest blindly. Mistakes happen when people follow random tips or try to get rich overnight. Do your own research. Think long-term. Beginners can start with SIPs and index funds, which are safer and more stable. Remember, the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-slow journey. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling us what was your first stock investment. This is just the beginning. See you in the next video.